Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to add a stock to your Webull Watchlist. If you're new to Webull or simply want to organize your favorite stocks, adding them to your watchlist is one of the easiest and most helpful features. So first of all, launch open the Webull app on your mobile device and log into your account. If you're using your desktop, you can visit the official Webull website and log in. From the home page, go ahead and look for the Watchlist tab. Once you're inside the My Watchlist tab, go to the bottom and look for the symbol, name, feature, knowledge text box over here and type in the stocks you want to add to your watchlist. Enter the name of the stock or their ticker symbol. After doing that, from the search results, tap on the little heart icon right next to the stock to add it in your watch list. Repeat this process for every other stock you want to add to the watch list, and once done, click on the cross icon at the top left and you'll be able to add your watch list easily. Now you'll see the stocks that you've selected inside your watch list automatically. That's how you successfully add any stock to your watch list on Webull. Keeping your watch list updated helps you monitor stock movements and make smarter trading decisions. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.